So last week I had a pretty good week in my consulting business. We brought on $167,000 worth of new contract value into the business. And I didn't do a single sales call for it. In fact, I don't have an appointment setter. I don't have a sales closer. And I managed to do that all with about 2 hours of DMs with leads in my pipeline. People who reached out to me who were interested in working with me. So I wasn't chasing people. I wasn't doing cold outreach. Literally, I make content and I then make invitations and I allow people to come into my world without having to convince them. So it's the difference between inviting versus convincing. You'll have to bear with me because I'm sat right now on a jetty in the Adriatic Ocean in Montenegro. I'm here for a long weekend, just chilling out, and I thought I'd just make this video. I brought my camera along. I always think it's cool to make videos in cool places. It's funny because you see people walking along thinking like, who's this fucking nerd? Who is this absolute dork who's brought his camera out into the beautiful Montenegrin Ocean? Anyway, look, I might get covered in a tidal wave, but what I wanted to talk to you about in this video is what you need to do to be able to invite people into your world instead of having to convince them. Because a few years ago, I was stuck in this really challenging place with my business. I just started it and I was spending all of my time having to speak with prospects that didn't have a clue who I was, didn't have a clue what I did. And frankly, they just weren't even interested in the transformation that I was claiming that I could get them. And I was spending loads of times on sales calls and it was frustrating as fuck. Getting off a call with another person being like, I just need to think about it. As far as I can see, like the 7 most expensive words in online business are, I just need to think about it. And instead of having to deal with the 7 most expensive words in online business, I want to help you understand how you can get paid by hearing the 7 most lucrative words in online business, which is, can you send me the payment link? So instead of having the 7 most expensive words being flung at you, I want you to have the 7 most lucrative words thrown at you, because that's the life that I'm living in. So there's this idea that's getting floated around right now, which is bingers are buyers, as if the more time people spend binging your content, the more likely they are to buy from you. But I don't know about you, but when I'm sat there binging Netflix or Amazon Prime, I'm never getting my card out when an advert comes on to buy something. I'm sat there eating my chocolate or my popcorn or whatever, and I'm not in a mood to get my credit card out. Maybe it's just me, but I mean, so I don't know. Are bingers buyers? I don't fucking think so. But I think that there is some nuance to this. Do I think bingers are buyers? No, but when you make a specific type of content that gets people to believe in the way you do things by shifting their belief, by installing a new belief system into their minds, that is how you get people to basically get their ass off the fence and into your world without having to convince them. And so do I think bingers are buyers? No, I think believers are buyers. And when you can install a new belief system into the mind of a prospect, that's when things shift. That's when you get what I call ass off fence energy. That's when the game of online business is simple. People are sat with their ass on a fence. I'm on like a big concrete thing right now, but like people are sat wanting change in their life, but needing some sort of spark to get them to take motion, to move towards actually getting their ass into gear and making some changes in their life. Because transformation comes from change. But they're not going to get any transformation if they don't change by getting their ass off the fence, into gear, and into your world. So when you make content that shifts the beliefs of someone who's watching and listening to your content, that's when you get what I call the ass off fence energy. People are going to get their ass off the fence and into your world. If you focus on making content that does that, that is the key to be able to sell high ticket without calls, like I've done for the last year and a half. Now, if I was to say to you, like, okay, it's really easy just to make content that shifts beliefs, you'd probably be like, well, how do I do it? Great question. So in a couple of days' time, I'm running a private workshop with my clients to literally break down my entire system that I've used over the last couple of years to build my business to over $1 million a year without doing sales calls. And this is my invitation for you to join us. So I'm going to pop the link down below if you'd like to join us so that you can essentially do what I've done, close high ticket without calls, then let me help you do it. So links down below. I hope you can join us. It's going to be a really fun one. I'm going to be back in the office of Destiny in London, and we're going to get to it. Okay, that's me over and out from Montenegro. That was sick. I'll see you in the next one.